that. It's official. So if you haven't already, like, subscribe. All right, guys, check her out. She is shiny. Hey, look at that. Look at all that shine. I mean, you can make me out. Look at that. You can make out me pretty dang well in that. Hey guys, what's going on? So I got a new product that I wanted to show you. I've used the regular clay bars, but this is different. So I'm gonna give you a little video, a little tutorial, and I'm gonna learn at the same time. Let's check it out. So this is what we got here. This is made by Groits. I don't know. I guess that's how it's pronounced. But yeah, supposed to be able to use this while you're washing your car. Makes it so much easier to and there's directions. Yeah, makes it so much easier to actually clay bar your vehicle instead of having to wash it and dry it off. You gotta have a special spray it down, use the clay bar, drop the clay bar, grab the other clay bar and then use that one because you dropped the first one. So yeah, so as you can see, I still haven't finished this side. I wanted to go ahead and wash my car up before I finish painting this side. And yeah, she's dirty. She's going to enjoy it. So let me get started on that. As you can see, I have done a preliminary washing because it was fairly dirty. So I didn't want to just be grinding in more and more dirt into it. But now let's check this out. All right. Here we go. I'll just toss that right for right now. So it says just to have it soapy, which I think that looks pretty dang soapy, and gently glide across it, it says. So let's see how this does. Let's go ahead and rinse that out. Not too much pressure, but you can feel it like start to where it's hitting stuff that not quite as smooth. And make sure you get everything here. There we go. I'm just gonna do the hood for you guys. I think you get the idea, and then I'll show you the final product here when I get done. All right, so what we're gonna do is, I have a picture that I washed the vehicle, just straight up washed it, and I'm gonna compare it to the shininess of this when it gets done. Just some soap here. Now I've used the regular clay bars and they work good. It's just that whole, oh crap, you know, I dropped it. This one you drop it and you just rinse it off. And like I said, just light pressure, not too much. I can already tell you this is so much better than using a regular clay bar. Just the experience itself. I can feel it catching here and there, but then as I go back, it's not catching anymore. And you just want to, like I said, I'm just gonna do the hood, and then y'all can see what it's like afterwards, because it's going to be the same process throughout the rest of the car. So go ahead and rinse this off real quick. Now let me just, oh yeah, that feels like butter. So all right, well that's the hood. So let me finish this up and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done and dried and everything. As you can see, she is, well, I mean, she's wet, so of course she's gonna be shiny. But yeah, let's see what she looks like and feels like as I'm drying her off, because that's the big difference. Ooh, and it feels smooth. It ought to. Good job. Yep, that's where I wanted them to go. Not bad. It's definitely smooth. Yeah, I know. I'll show you what it looks like when it's dry. All right, guys, check her out. She is shiny. Hey, look at that. Look at all that shine. I mean, you can make me out. Look at that. You can make out me pretty dang well in that. This is the first time I've ever hit this car with that. And let me say, that thing works great. Great. I just realized I said it like Tony the Tiger. So, but yeah. Oh man. If only it wasn't still muddy and everything that direction. So she'll probably sit still until that stuff dries up, because I don't feel like getting her dirty again. And now that I've got everything cleaned, I'm gonna paint this other side. So, and also while I was doing it, I hit my headlights with it, and I mean, they were already clear, but they seem like they're shinier. Gosh, she's so shiny. Oh man, I am pleased. So I'm gonna hit with the spray wax. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the trunk lid, the roof, and the hood, and the mirrors. They tend to, and all the fenders here, they tend to be the spots that get hit with the sunlight the most. And I like to make sure that they're nice and well protected. That way, when the sun's beating down on it, it's not fading out. And if you've seen the CRZ, I'm not sure if I showed you the paint on that, but Michael's, before he even got it, not his fault, but yeah, it's fading, like on the fenders right here and a couple spots on the hood. And it's just a clear coat, but yeah, still it's annoying. So, and we're gonna do a video on that here in a couple weeks. So, but yeah, here she is. It's gonna be a short little video, but that's basically how you use a little one of these synthetic clay bars. And so it holds moisture and it's still good. They say it's good for 8 clay bars. For me, that means it's good 8 uses. But hell, even a regular clay bar, if you kept it clean and didn't drop it in there, you can put it up and reuse it. So, but this just, you don't have to have all the folding. You got this nice grip right here to hold on to. It just works really good. And if you've never used a clay bar, this would be good. Just wash your car first and then basically wash it a second time, but using that thing to wash it. And man, I mean, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but wow, this thing is shiny. I'm gonna add me a layer of wax on it and see if that changes it and makes it even shinier. I don't know if you can, but whew. All right guys, if you haven't already, like, subscribe. I definitely would appreciate the likes and the subscribes, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And yeah guys, see y'all later.